there's snow everywhere. And I need to remove the snow from the greenhouses to make sure they don't collapse. But yeah, but first let's get something snowproof to wear, something funky from the 90s. Alright, it's snow and I need to go outside checking on my cacti in the greenhouses to make sure there's no snow on them. And now I pick something to wear. This is something like a Fila vintage jacket, like with fleece. It looks funky. Pure 90s energy. This will do great. It looks amazing. Alright, I gotta go outside. And Snoopy wants no part in it. Sleep well, my friend. I will shovel the way to the greenhouses. I wanna see if they are alright. Oh, there's a lot of snow. I need to get that down somehow. I will use this to get the snow down of my greenhouses. Holy moly, this doesn't look good. This is not good. Oh man, this feels like the roof. Oh, it's alright. I was really worried, but I need to get it down fast. My other greenhouses are not a problem, but these here, these aren't great. Oh, come on. What a day. This is still the same day that I had with my chickens. Like in the morning, I had to get to the chickens. And now look at this, I don't even know how to get there. Let's try it out. And I'm in the snow. This is a lot more snow than what I normally have on them. I don't know what's below. I might like end up in the ground. So call help if that should happen. Oh god. I should have gotten something different to wear. This is good. I'm really glad. This could have break the greenhouse. Alright. We'll film some more. Oh wait. Okay, I think I can walk there. Oh! God. Oh god. I never expected so much snow in my area here this year. Definitely not. It was a very mild winter and now something like this. Oh god. These thorns. Oh my god. Check this out. I can't believe this is still the same day. Really. God. I'm sorry for this shaky cam, but this isn't really normal. I don't know when was the last time that I experienced something like this. Oh man, this is really, really bad. It's the most snow I've had here in years. especially on the greenhouse. You know, you always have like a little bit of snow that comes and goes overnight, but this is extreme. It has pushed down the holder here. Oh no, now it's cold. I'm frozen. Oh God. I'm so glad that it's down. This was pressing really hard on the greenhouse. I did not see that coming. I didn't think there would be so much snow on the greenhouses. And the others, they are really well built. This one isn't. Oh man, what a day. But yeah, let's check out the other greenhouses too. There they are, my beautiful greenhouses. Yeah, they can take it. This isn't the problem. But still, I remove a little bit. Holy moly. I'll take another video when I'm a little bit done. This is dystopian, and my camera phone, like the battery, is almost dead, so this might be a shorter video. We'll see. Oh man. Yeah, same here. I'm so glad that I bought a good greenhouse, because this stuff can really take the whole house down. Like when you have a roof that breaks in the middle of snow, it can be the end. So we're getting somewhere, but both on this on this side, so I'll have to do the other side now too. Oh God, this is really hard work. I should have like grown Christmas trees or something like that, not cacti. I don't know, or roses. Like, I'm finally at an age where I can grow roses. My grandfather was a rose breeder, so yeah. Okay, well, I'll post another update when I'm done. This will take a while. Whew. Alright, this looks good. This is just one, but it's alright. So just so we're taking a little look inside. Looks pretty stable inside. But yeah, this is bad. Bad snow. And another look into the other greenhouse, which is still full with snow on one side. Yeah, this looks okay. Looks good. So I will keep shoveling until there is no more snow on the greenhouses. Now the door won't close because of the snow. Oh man. this is okay for now. Cactus greenhouse in winter. This is the stuff you gotta deal with. Holy moly. Alright, final update. Just want to show you what's going on. So, the cactus greenhouse is free again, free of snow. Last view inside. Everything looks good. It will stand. All cacti are like healthy. They have a heater. No problemo. The only one who has a problem is me. Because I'm totally messed up from all the snow. There's some more on there, not much. The roof will hold it, not a problem. But yeah. And it looks like it might be snowing again. If it snows again, I don't know what I will do. I really don't. Yeah. Here's some more snow in the doorway, which is bad. Oh, come on, man. Yeah, this is okay. I hope it will melt. Come on, man. Come on. Oh well. Gotta be like this now. This is my life now. Okay. Alright, I changed clothes 3 times and I will probably have to do it a 4th time. Here's the side. Yeah, it's okay. It'll do. So I'm going inside. The only thing that I now have to do is move some snow away so Snoopy can like take a dump. But yeah, I think that'll work. I can do it. Okay guys, take care.